While everyone is celebrating that Vuyokazi finally knows her worth, as Utrela shoots Vuyokazi doesn't know her worth, and she finally moved on from their family, from this toxic relationship or toxic sithembu sabo sakaMpumelelo. Uterelo is going through a lot. Hi, Basana Bamzito. Welcome to Life with Makajane. I am Umakajane. So, guys, there's a video or a Queen Lula Alwa, then Tombazana has Balula Umpumelelo select. And on that video, Umpumelelo, so guys, say to you guys, no, our queen is no longer part of themselves family. Move on. Queen Lulu uyathukana and uthuka lo gele esingamazi uyasho ukuthi uwo ofuna ukwenza nomsele kuphela ungena apha endabeni zami nomsele. That means uQueen Lulu noMpumelelo Msele bathathanana, and this makes sense. You know why? Because day before yesterday, which is Saturday, uMpumelelo beka on live and bekakhulumela uQueen Lulu asho ngalendlela ukuthi yes ukugula wagula asanga agulisa uQueen Lulu. You understand? Manje kusho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi wagulisa umunye umuntu, not uQueen Lulu. And if ukukhumbula kahle, early this year, if not late last year, there were rumors, guys, allegations that uQueen Lulu uzoba ne-reality show. Naye uQueen Lulu ke washo ukuthi kune-reality show ezayo, but on that reality show kushiwo ukuthi kuzovela uMpumelelo Msele. That means uQueen Lulu noMpumelelo Msele azange bake bahlukana. Cabanga-ke ukuthi uTrelo kuphi. Phela uTrelo Saturday mase celebrate amalobolo kaVuyokazi lawe sisakhuluma ngawo up until today. Bekayenza ivideo acula ukuthi uthe uzongilobola. Yibona nanginemhlahise kayamhlaza umfana. Yabona one thing about uMpumelelo Msele, ungamthembi. Ungarely kula mfana loya futhi uzokusurprise. Just imagine Saturday umuntu wena bomthuko national TV or bomputho national TV uthi I'm happy now you know your worth, uthi hayi lo ubekeza lezinto ezingabekezelwa. Namhlanje the other day, next day, nangu umuntu enalwa wakhala wena futhi on national TV ukuthi uboyfriend yakho ubaby daddy wakho ujola naye nangu lwela lo muntu nomunye ni girlfriend. Only God knows ukuthi le ntombazana le noMpumelelo yini behlanganisa yini relationship yabo. Only God knows. Only God knows. Nje akuyo yonke le situation kaQueen Lulu ngizwela umayeni noma uSamsele, because uSamsele nomayeni bangena kangaka. They went even ukuthi kuthiwa kuyosuwa uQueen Lulu, uMosamsele wathi uQueen Lulu uloliwe isitimela esigibela wonke umuntu. Now uyothini? Hello mntana yabahlaza. But I blame uMosamsele ngebehavior kaMpumelelo, ufaka too much pressure kuMpumelelo ukuthi uMpumelelo abe nesithembu. Akamele uMpumelelo abe yile nto afuna ukuba yiyo. Even kuVuyokazi, yes, uTrelo bakadelela uVuyokazi, but you could see ukuthi uMpumelelo akasamthanda uVuyokazi. Uhleli noVuyokazi ngoba ubaba wakhe ufuna uVuyokazi. Maka-ke basala bamzitho, comment down below, guys. I'm not feeling well. Sorry for your voice. Comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.